Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Do you hear this familiar sizzling sound? This is Sizzlers and I have made it Asian style sizzler. So let's see what are the ingredients and let's start with the recipe. Okay, so let's quickly check out all the ingredients for making chicken and rice Asian style sizzler. So I have chicken breast thinly sliced. I have green bell pepper. I do not have yellow and orange or red colored bell pepper, but you can definitely add for color. This is white onion. I have thinly sliced. There are 5 to 6 garlic chops, baby corns and cabbage. I have some mixed vegetables, peas, onion, French beans and carrot. Of course, I have some cooked rice, 3 tablespoons of butter, salt and black pepper to taste. I have taken Hoisin sauce, dark soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, chili garlic sauce and some oil. Let's start with the recipe. Okay, let's get some wet ingredients mixed well. So I've taken about 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce. One tablespoon of soy sauce. Almost 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And taking 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. Give that a mix. Add some salt, black pepper, some garlic and some oil, about 2 tablespoons. Give that a good mix. I'm going to warm this up in a small pan, saucepan, and add some water, about 1/4 cup of water. Give that a good mix. And I'm going to cook it later. Alright, so let's first get our rice ready. So let's add 1 or half tablespoon butter. Griddle. If you do not have this home, not necessarily you will have it, but if you do not have it home, you can simply get a wok or a normal pan. So let the butter melt. Once the butter melt, add garlic. I have very thinly chopped this garlic. So set the temperature to 400 Fahrenheit if you have griddle. If you do not have griddle, you can simply do this rice on a high flame, because we need that roasty Asian style flavor in this. So everything on high flame. So get the highest temperature there. So once you see the garlic sizzling, I'm going to add some pepper, salt and this cooked rice. Give that a good mix. So this is our garlic butter rice getting ready. Wow, aroma is simply mind-blowing. Just a quick toss and remove it in a plate, just for that extra garlicky flavor. If you do not eat rice, you can totally skip this step. But since it's Asian style, I'm going to get that included in this recipe. Just turn the heat to low now, and I'm going to remove it in a plate and get the vegetables tossed. Here you go. I have my garlic butter rice totally ready. I'm gonna keep it aside. Now add one more tablespoon of butter. Let it melt and get all the vegetables fried. Now I'm again set the temperature to 400°F, and once the butter is melted, simply toss all the vegetables. Baby corn, onion, bell pepper, and mixed vegetables. Look at the beautiful colors. Wow, amazing. Set the temperature to high. And look at this, how beautiful. Look at this. Seasoning, some salt and crushed pepper. Give that a good toss. Wow. While my vegetables are sauteing, I'm gonna get the saucepan and add this sauce mixture and bring it to boil. Keep stirring the vegetables. Once you see the brown tilt on the vegetables, you can turn off and keep it aside. So another few minutes and we can turn the heat to low again. I'll show you how beautiful, gorgeous this looks. Look at this. Keep a couple layers of cabbage on the side as well, just to warm them up a little. You're not gonna make it mushy, just little softness to that. My sauce is boiling there. I'm going to get this vegetables separated in the plate. Okay, so my cabbage is also ready. I'm just gonna keep it aside. And now the last item is our chicken. So get the butter. Add our chicken. If you do not eat chicken, you can definitely use potatoes or paneer as a substitute. I'll show you one more recipe in a later session. Seasoning, salt, pepper. Quick toss, let it cook on a high flame. The chicken is getting cooked. So while my chicken is cooking, I'll tell you something about this. So this is my cast iron fajita platter set. So I ordered it from Amazon, and it's really heavy. It is totally made of cast iron, and that's why it's heavy. So in India we call it as a Sizzler platter. So but in America we call it as fajita platter set. So if you want to order this, it's very cheap. So, and it's really looking nice to me. So I'm gonna try heat up the this fajita platter set gas. Fajita platter set comes with this mitten and this wooden plate, where once the cast iron platter is hot, I'm going to place it in the wooden tray. And this is my sauce mixture. It's getting cooked, and once it's cooked it will be a little thickened. If you do not see it's getting thickened, you can always add some cornstarch. So I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes to get this warmed up and totally, yeah, it's already hot enough. Once it's hot, I'm gonna put some butter and add all the ingredients that we prepared. All my ingredients are ready, and my cast iron sizzler platter is getting hot from the bottom, and of course it's hot right now. Now I'm going to place all the ingredients. So first start with some butter. Look at that. Once the butter is melted, add the cabbage. You see the sizzling noise, that's why we call it a sizzler. Add some rice. This will be a serving for one person. It's that small, so I'm gonna save some for later. Some rice here. Add some veggies. Some chicken. Look at that, beautiful. And now it's time to add some sauce. A special sauce that we made. Add tiny bit of butter just for that additional sizzling. There we go. Turn off the heat and my sizzler is ready. It's really hot. Look at this. Beautiful sizzling. This is eaten well, it's nice and hot, so that's why we call it a sizzler. And this is a very famous Indian restaurant style food. And here you go. If you like the sizzler recipe, do try it at home. Please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and of course do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.